All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Friday market recap and analysis. All right. Today we're going to go over what we have done over the week. Okay. So let's go over what we have done over the week. All right. So let's get it going. Let's get it fire on. Okay, let's get it going. Let's get it fire on. All right. So we started with the week, and I told you earlier on that market will do this A B C correction, this A, this B, and this C correction. And market did exactly. All right. Market did exactly as predicted. Okay. And then I told you guys market would run all the way. Market did the same. And I told you there is going to be another ABC correction and market is going to run all the way to the upside. This week I would say I'll rate myself 100% accuracy. If you don't agree with me rating myself 100% accurately, then you can write yours in the comment section. All right. Yeah, if you don't agree, just write it there, because this week it's been accurate market analysis on accurate market analysis. All right. So I would say I have the 100% accuracy mark, untouchable. Haha. Guys, if it is your first time here, please don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right. And also don't forget to tell family and friends about Molar Gold and the wonderful things I'm doing to you guys. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we started the week. We started with the week, and I told you earlier last Friday that market is going to do this ABC correction. Market did this sell. We had a buy, we had a sell. We also had this buy and that buy, and all the buys that continued with it. All right. Our crazy indicator was not left out in this move. Even today, the last leg, it did buy, crazy stuff. All right. And then on the last week, the earlier it did buy, and the buy was so crazy, guys. This indicator is so powerful and so crazy, so you don't have to miss any single trade. You can't miss it. All right. Let's get it out of the way. So we have really enjoyed this week. Someone says, "Hey, the gold wizard dog, I salute you, boss." Evans, I know you're doing great. So, guys, that's basically it. All right. Um, the funny part of it is that this very move, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, I even drew it. I drew it before time. All the charts I draw them, right? And this very one was not an exception as well. So I drew that one too as well. It was very, very crazy, guys. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh my God. Okay, so if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, so that if I drop or I come live, you'll be notified immediately. Those of you that have been asking me, Doc, when are you starting? Just subscribe and hit the bell notification, and stop asking me, Doc, when are you starting the meeting? So that immediately I come live, YouTube will tell you Dr. Mola is live. All right? Yeah, yeah, that's it. So let's go for it. Today is NFP fireworks. Hey, Nicky man, my man, my man. I'm here, bro. Doing great, Nicky man. All right, Nicky is here today. Okay. So, guys, it's been a firework all day, all week. All right. Today we're not leaving out the last part of it, and that is we going for the NFP. So before I would do anything, let me go over this very one. Da Costa man nigga. Da Costa is also here. Da Costa, the great trader is also here. All right, Charlie. So let's go to Forex Factory. Let's go to Forex Factory. So before we start anything, we have to look at the calendar. All right. And when we look at the calendar, we're going to see that we have some red events. And because we trade gold, these three is what we are going to focus on. These three. All right. That's the NFP, average hourly earnings, monthly over monthly, non-farm employment change or non-farm payroll, monthly on monthly, and then employment rates monthly on monthly. This data is very, very important to us as traders. All right, I will not talk much about that because today I'm going to go live and we'll trade live cash on hand. Hi. Mm. All right, so I'll not talk much about this. Just know that we have red indicators, and that means that there's going to be high volatility around 12:30 p.m. GMT. All right, so it's going to be fireworks around this time. If you don't know what to do around this time, please get out of the way. If you are cry baby, those that lose money and then you be crying, please get out of the way. Close your positions before it is 12:30. I don't want any problem. All right, good. Ha! So then we are here, and yesterday I was live with my VIP members, and I told them we are expecting something fantastic to happen. All right, and what is that? So I draw this very pattern for them yesterday. So I did this drawing of this pattern. This is the pattern I drew, and then one of my students was asking, "What is that?" And I said, "That is an expanded flat." A megaphone, expanded triangle, right? A megaphone. So that's being said, we drew that and we had a five swings and we are expecting the market to do ABC correction like this, which never came, right? Later on within the day, I saw this move, this triangle move. All right, so we have with one, with two, with three, with four, and then with 5 was in an ending diagonal. When you check, it will confirm that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal, and then we have an ABC correction. So this becomes our wave 2. All right, so this is wave 1. So then that is why I have drawn this line there. The line is there for a reason or a purpose. It is not just there to beautify my charts. All right, so quickly let me do this. So quickly I'm going to do this. So this will be with 3, and I would make it very visible in the other time frames, especially 15 minutes. All right, so now it's very visible, and this is with 1. That would be our 5, and this would be our 4 currently, what we should be expecting, and this is our wave 2. Okay, so we delete all of that. We don't need it anymore because it has served its purpose. It has done whatever we need it to do. Okay, yeah, so we have this ABC correction, ABC correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, so ABC correction, ABC correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 was also in an extension. All right, it was also a 5 wave downwards. So that gave us a huge degree with A in red, with B, with C, and then we should start with the 5 wave to the upside. That is why we have that guy there. Okay, so now that we know exactly what we're expecting, so earlier on I have told you guys, keep your eyes in this PRZ, the zone, okay, that very zone, and I'm going to get that for you quickly. So what happened is that we have already anticipated every single thing that should be happening with the market. All right, we have anticipated all of that. Okay, so let me check. No, that is not what I'm looking for. So if that's not what I'm looking for, then that is what I'm looking for. All right, bingo, good. Let's get it like this, and let's stretch it like that. Okay, so bingo, this is where we should be looking, and this is what we should be expecting. So um, I'm expecting that price to get into this zone, this red zone. We will go into the higher time frame to confirm all of that. All right, so what is happening right now? Right now, we have this with 1, with 2, and this with 3, with 4, and with 5. Then cycle completed. All right. Then when we get there, okay, we've touched this, so this should be give us with 4 like this, a correction like that before we go. When we touch there, then we're going to understand. Let's go into the higher time frame, and then we're going to understand what really. Da Costa says good afternoon. All right, guys. Please, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right, guys. So let's get it going. Good. So I have already done this analysis. Undo. So I've already done this analysis already. We've done this already. You see, the zones are already there. So what I'm going to do right now is shift this zone a little to this side. Okay. So basically, last beginning of the week, I told you guys something. I think Wednesday I also hinted on that. So let's get into it. So we are going to get into it. Okay, we are going to get into that part, that very part, that last piece. Let me delete this one. I don't need it. Let me delete this one also. I also don't need it. All right, good. Ah, okay. So what is happening right now? What is really happening? Okay, what is really happening? Okay, so I told you guys that price is in these two patterns. The first one is this. The first one is this corrective structure. All right, 1, 2, 3. This is the first one. All right. When we get here, before we're going to think of what we'll do, okay? When you get here, some of you immediately you get into the zone and then you are just rushing to take a trade. No, we don't do that. All right. Then I told you guys we have this triangle move. So either we break and we retest, and exactly that's what happened. So we should continue to the upside. All right. So we have that also. Now we are not in this triangle, so this triangle is out of the picture. So we're going to remove that off the chart. Okay. So we're going to remove this triangle out of the picture. Oh, undo. Undo. Yeah. Okay. Let me undo it again or delete it and bring this one here. Bingo. So now that triangle is no longer in the picture, and we have a 3 on a 3, a 3, a 3. All right. We don't know. We started with a 5, and then we have a 3, and we are also in a 5. Okay. Whatever is going to happen right here will tell us what we should be expecting. Whatever is going to happen right here is what is going to tell us what is going to happen. Okay. But before that, we have touched this line, and then we should expect some corrections before we can even get into the zone. All right. So that's basically it. That's basically it. Market has really moved in favor of our analysis from Monday till now. All right, from Monday till now. So now, like I said, we are looking for this last piece, this last one like this. All right, this last piece. This is what we are looking for. We're looking for something like this. Then we'll have 1, 2, and 3. Then 4, 5. Okay. So if we get it something like this, we can still go back up. Right. All right, guys. So that is that for today. So let's keep on, okay? Before you do anything, let's keep on. Before you pick a trade, okay, if you want to sell, even if you want to sell this, first of all, get an impulsive move, then a correction. This makes the trade easy and simple, risk-free for you to go, okay? But if you says, okay, let me sell here, there is nothing confirmed. There's no rules, right? That's basically it. That's basically it. Okay, guys. So that is that. At this point, I think we have done so much. I've spent about 16 minutes already. So, guys, if you think gold is going to drop from this price, just let me know in the comment section. And if you think gold is going to drop and continue going to the upside, let me also know. All right. But before that, I have the bragging right for this week because all my analysis plays out 100%. All right, guys. My name is Dr. Mola, and I'll say bye for now, guys.